Hey everybody, thanks for joining me this evening. I just wanted to give you an update on a couple craters that Artemis is going to be looking at as it goes through its lunar observing phase tomorrow. So I've shared two of them with you, and tonight I'll share another two, just short videos for you. Anyway, this is the right splendor of Gushko crater. Here you can see Gushko crater. Gushko crater here is, this is from the Smart One's Amy camera, obtained this image. It was about 1,600 kilometers from the surface when it got this one, and it had a resolution of about 150 meters per pixel. And the field of view of this is about 80 kilometers. And you can really see the sloping in of this crater. Glushko is a very young crater, relatively speaking. It's a prominent impact crater located on the western limb of the moon at the transition between the near and the far sides. Spanning approximately 43 kilometers in diameter, this feature stands out as a beacon of geological youth due to its extraordinary bright and extensive ray system, which you can see here. These rays, composed of pulverized lunar highland material during the impact, stretch for hundreds of kilometers across the surrounding basalt plains of oceanous, I got to look at this one, Proclarium, and the rugged terrain on the obelisk crater. The morphology of Glushko is characterized, it's really characterized by sharp, well-defined rim, and we'll go back up and see that. You can see the well-defined rim there, and a complex interior structures. High-resolution image, such as from the Smart image here, reveals a floor marked by slumped materials. You can see that. And a small central peak right here, a little bit of a shadow coming off of it from the sunlight there. The crater's high albedo is a direct result of its age over millions of years. Space weathering from solar wind and micrometeorite impacts typically darkens the lunar surface, but Gushko's rays remain brilliantly reflective, as you can see on this image here, suggesting the impact occurred relatively recent in geologic terms. As Integrity spacecraft swings around the moon's limb this Monday, Gushko serves as a critical observation target for them. The crew's high altitude perspective will allow for unique lighting angles to study the distribution of its ejecta blankets. Observing such fresh craters helps scientists calibrate the rates of space weathering and provides a clearer window into the composition of the lunar crust beneath the surface. So they're going to be going by. They're not going to see it as well as this image because that was a lot closer. Probably going to be a little bit more like this, and they're probably going to be looking at the ray system, as you can see here. So anyway, I hope you found that interesting. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you on the next crater in just a sec.